my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature dead rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Whoever Mr. Ntanzi requested to take one of the hoodies with, because he was wearing a red, obviously, for whatever reasons Mohola says, he was going to change now into this grey hoodie. That's my understanding. Are we on the sort of same understanding, reading from that?
Uma ufunda lana ke ukuthi ke wayizo thatha ke noma ke ethatha ihoodie lena ke eyayi grey ngombala uma ufunda khona la ukuthi ke Ntanzi ngobani ke wathathiswa noma ke wacela ukuthi athathe ihoodie le eyayi grey ngombala.
Yes.
I understand.
Now, yesterday you were requested, and correctly so, I think even by the court, to say, put what you observe on the picture, what is depicted on the picture, and you put everything. He's wearing a watch, a hoodie, a jacket, he's got a hoodie, he's wearing the hoodie on, and you describe the colors. I'm going to request you to do the same with this, because there's an important aspect that I want to pass by before I leave this aspect. Put the colors that are there.
All right. Kule sithombe ngibona umuntu
On this picture, I see a person
ugqoke ijacket or tracksuit
who's wearing a jacket or a tracksuit,
enesigqoko
which has a hoodie.
igrey ngaphezulu
It's grey at the top.
ngaphakathi imnyamanyana
Inside, it's a blackish.
and then phezulu emahlombe ukuya la esifubeni igrey
The shoulders going towards the chest, it's grey.
inombala omnyama obhalwe ngomhlophe engakhona ukufunda ukuthi kubhala ukuthini.
There's a black color which is written in white, which I'm unable to read as to what is written there.
Then inombala obomvu
Also, it has a red color,
omhlophe,
white,
then omunye futhi omnyama,
another black,
and then omunye omhlophe,
another white.
then ibese iba mnyama la ngenzansi futhi ibhalwe imbhalo ngembhalo emhlophe engakhona ukuyifunda.
It's also black here at the bottom. It's written in white, which I cannot read as to what it is that's written.
Then uyakhona ukuyibona ijacket futhi imkhono emide,
You are able to see that it is a long sleeve jacket.
ugqoke iwashi,
He's wearing a watch.
kuyabonakala ukuthi libumnyama nokubomvu.
It's visible that it is black and some red.
Then kubonakala ngathi ungaphakathi endlini lo muntu, ilokho engingakubona.
And it appears as if this person is inside the house. That's what I can see.
Thank you, Warrant Officer. Now, in that passage, the extract from the proceedings where Sergeant Mohola was testifying, does she describe that hoodie by describing further the colors, the lettering and everything that you have just placed on record?
Manje lana ke kuleli lawo ke uqeda ukuthi ke uyifundeke lendlela koqeda uchaza ngayo ke lana leminye imibala leni lokho kubhaliwe uyakusho umhula la.
Hayi kuyaphambana.
No, it's not the same.
You see, the reason I'm asking you this, and I'm not faulting you, is this: when context is not provided, the leader of that evidence wants the court to draw an inference by providing this photo to say, this is the hooded jacket that I'm referring to that Ntanzi took and asked us to take, when that's not the case.
Uma ke ungatshelwa ke into ngokupheleleke lo ekube kuyena ke ohola ke ubufakazi ke ukuthi manje usefuna ke inkantolo ke manje ifikele kwesinqumo ke ukuthi ke lokhu ke obhaliwe lana yikona ke lokhu okubonakalayo lapha ekusithombeni engasikona.
And if I may respectfully ask the court, Mr. Ntanzi, to rise up. He's here in court. If he can stand up.
Mangizamcela ukuthi uNtanzi asukume.
He's also wearing a grey hooded jacket today in court today.
Ugqoke ke ihoodie egrey namhlanje enkantolo.
Ngiyavuma.
I agree.
Sit, Mr. Bongani, thank you. And it's got nothing to do with you. The context within which this photograph, you were meant to place the details thereof on record. Should have been explained to you so that you know what you are talking about, but because it's not important to you, you are an analyst. I analyzed, I was given a phone, I download it, then I give the information back to the IO. The IO will use it for his investigation because you are not privy to the investigation, correct?
Ukuthi kwenzekani kubufakazi awunalwazi angithi.
Kunjalo advocate.
That's correct.
These are matters of arguments. We can argue the points, my lord. I'll make my submission, Mr. Ramosipilli will make his submissions. Not for this witness to comment.
My lord, I don't want to ridicule my colleague. This objection is laughable. He's the one that introduced and invited comment on these photos. So this objection is laughable. I'm not even going to entertain it and give it glory with a response. So I'm done with this. I wanted to show you that a particular narrative wanted to be pushed. When we hit back now, he jumps up and down and say,
Which narrative is that?
the one that, my lord, the inference, I'm a lawyer, the inference that the real reason why this photo was introduced is to align with the fact that Mukura says Mr. Antanzi asked to take a grey sweater, and they put this as the grey sweater, my lord. I'm a lawyer. That's an inference that they need this court to do.
Ukuthi lana manje bekufunda lokho ke bekufuna ke ukuthi lokho bhalwe noma kushiwo Mukura lana ke kuhlanganiswe ke naso lesithombe ukuthi ke yona ke le hoodie egrey athi ke Mukura umntanzi wayithatha.
Is that what you're trying to show, say, doctor?
No, my lord, that is not the only inference.
Okay.
Yes.
It's fine, my lord. Now it's an issue for argument. We'll both argue it. But he mustn't, when he's introduced something, when the shoe pinches, he stands up and cries. My lord, I'm going to ask, it's 25 past, may we resume tomorrow?
Yeah, sorry, okay. Ashley. Is it? Okay, let's adjourn until tomorrow.
Survive.